Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. We're picking up where we left off and we're going to start another quick little project. We are installing a new bug shield that's going to go on the front of this. We ordered it, I don't know, off of like Amazon or something, but this is it. And we're going to open it up and get it measured out, see what we got to do, throw a couple screws in it, I'm sure, and get it mounted up. Come along with us. Okay, so this is a Husky bug shield, Husky brand, and it's kind of nice because it does come with these marks pre-set up to line up with the spots that they're going to go into that are already pre-drilled into your hood. And we'll go ahead and pull this off. Basically what we've got to do first, from what I understand, I haven't done this before, but we're going to figure it out. We've got to pop off some of these little buttons here that are holding this rubber seal at the front of the hood. We got to pop this one, number 1, 4, and over here number 1 and 3. We got to pop those out because they're lined up with these holes that new screws are going to go into. And then on the end, I don't know if it's going to line up with any of these. I think we actually have to drill. It's a self-tapping screw that will go into this, and we'll see how it goes. So let's try it out. So, broke that one. I've got a set of these, whole bunch of small ones. Hopefully something will fit and work if I end up breaking any of these. Fortunately, where these are gonna come out, screws are going into those holes, but I'm gonna try not to pull out any of these. As I understand it, we're gonna try and just tuck these under that. So. Yep, broke that one too. Three for three. Four for four. So, guess we'll see how this is gonna line up. I gotta give it to their quality control guys. These holes all line up, so I like that. And of course, you want to make sure the surface is all cleaned up and stuff before you dive into this, which I've already done that. I'm just gonna put them in there real loose for now till we get them all kind of lined up correctly. All right, take you in for a look at how these are actually mounted. Obviously you got one screw there. You're gonna have to drill that hole. It does come with sticky tape on it, so you could try and do that, but I would rather just have it fastened. I don't want it flopping around. These, fortunately, the holes are already there, and they're the existing holes where these caps were at, which is perfect. You don't have to drill new holes or anything. It's very easy. Phillips head screwdriver. You just gotta pop these caps off and then tuck this bug shield behind it, and make sure you pull this rubber out so it is now on the outside of that bug shield, so it's all nice and tucked in behind. But all these holes lined up perfect. Simple install. Other than these end ones, you had to drill that hole, but I used self-tapping screws initially, and then I used their screws after I had the hole created. So yeah, looks good. Let's close it up and see how it looks. I like it. Nice little accent. They did say in some cases the hood, the little bump stops that are in there that you screw in to raise them or lower them, you may need to adjust that depending on if your hood is hitting somewhere based with this new bug shield. But mine, I didn't have to make any adjustments. And I definitely like that black accent up at the front. A little protection along the front end as well for the paint. So you have to let me know what you think. I'll put a picture of the ad that I bought it from so you guys can see it if you're interested in buying one. It's the Husky brand bug shield. So yeah, another little project knocked out. Here in the next video or so, we're going to be installing the new side steps that we ordered for this. And again, you guys will kind of get to see how that goes. I'll give you feedback on the hardware and the install. This bug shield, very simple, and I like how they've set it up so you're not drilling a bunch of holes. Some bug shields are just universal and you got to drill a bunch of holes. I like how this is specific to the vehicle. It went really smooth. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for sticking around, and tune in for our next video. We'll do the side steps and we'll bring you along for that. Have a good one, guys. See ya.